What's up, guys? So this is my announcement for the winners of the 11K giveaway, and I apologize for how long this has taken me. Life's been crazy. As you know, I got married, and I just haven't been able to get around to it after that. So first, I'm going to go through what the answers were to the 11 questions, and not too many people entered this, to be honest, and I know a lot of people complained about this being difficult, and I don't really see it being difficult at all. I mean, you really only had to do the 11th question, which was post your favorite video to social media, and then send me an email and let me know, show me proof, obviously, that you posted it by a screenshot or whatever, and then that's really all you had to do. So I don't know why that was that difficult. I mean, people post stuff to social media all the time. It's very easy to do, and sending an email isn't that difficult either. But the people that wanted the chance of winning the other prize obviously had to go ahead and answer all the other questions. I was appreciative to everybody that did attempt to answer the questions, even though no one got all of them right. So the answers to all the questions, and I'll go ahead and announce Benjamin Lamb. You were the one that got the most answers correctly. I believe he got 9 correct, and so that was really good. And he was the only one that really got anywhere close to almost all of them correct. So the answer to the first question, which was, what is my favorite Nerf blaster? That is the Strife. I think a couple people got that right. Second question, I don't think anyone got this right, which I was a little surprised by, but it has been a while since I've talked about this on my channel. But what was my first Nerf blaster? And I was actually going to accept 2 different answers. And one of them is the Nerf bow and arrow, which I would say is probably the first Nerf toy I played with, but I really consider my first Nerf blaster the Mattel Ultimator. That guy up there. And I still have it to this day, and it still has both the missiles, obviously, which is pretty sweet, and a pretty cool first Nerf blaster, in my opinion. And definitely one of my favorite vintage Nerf blasters, so I think that's pretty cool. Third question. What was the first blaster I modified? And that is the Cyclone Shock. That was the first blaster I modified. I was into steampunk when I first got into the Nerf hobby, and I picked that out and thought it would look cool if I kind of painted it. And it wasn't the greatest paint job. It was okay, but it wasn't anything fancy, that's for sure. But I did find, I think, Drax's video and probably a few others, and did some internal modifications on it, and that's kind of what got the whole ball rolling. So question number 4 is, what was my first integration? And that is my steampunk long shot Firefly with a retaliator or recon barrel, which is over there, up there. So I don't know if you could see it there or not, but it sits on top of my workbench, reminding me kind of that's what really got me going in this hobby and what inspired me. And I realized how much I love this, and then that's kind of why we're here today. So pretty cool. Question number 5 was, what is the name of the mod that was shown on Lord Draconical's channel? And most people, I think a few people got this one right, and it is the Awakening Blaster, which is right there. There it is. So that is obviously a Hammershot Messenger integration, and he showed that off on his channel when I went to my very first Nerf War down at the SENC. Gosh, almost 4 years ago now. It's been a while, so pretty crazy. That was even before I started a YouTube channel, actually. And funny story, a little funny story. I met Chicken first when I got there. I was probably I think I was the first person to the war, Jill and I. And then Bobo actually showed up soon thereafter, and he saw some of my blasters, and he was wondering if I had a YouTube channel. And I was like, no, I have an Instagram. I was like, I don't really think I'd be very good at YouTube. That's kind of why I haven't started one. I've thought about it, but haven't started one. So I just kind of pondered on that after the event, and how much I really enjoyed playing with those guys, and how awesome people they were. And a lot of them are my good friends now, which is awesome. And I've made lots of good friends in this hobby, but he's kind of the first person that kind of was like, you know what, just give it a shot, and you never know what may happen. And not saying I'm the best YouTuber in the world, but it's worked out all right. All right, so question number 6 is, what was the title of the 11th video that I uploaded on this channel? And most people got this one right. I think everybody got that one right, for as far as I know. That replied, and that was pretty easy. You just had to look it up. So, and that was my 100 subscriber thank you, and I thought that was pretty cool that was the 11th video. And you know, now we're at 11K, so there you go. Question number 7, what did I collect when I was growing up? And no one got this one right. And even I said it wasn't Nerf, and people still answered Nerf, and I was like, I said it wasn't Nerf. And I know I said this on one of my videos, in one of my Naptown Nerf parcel videos, and that was keychains. I collected keychains, Grihas gears. I got something from Grihas, and he sent me a keychain with, you know, I don't remember what the blaster was because he does several different ones, but I think it might have been a Raven. I collected keychains when I was younger. One of the things. I collected a few things, but that was what I said on the channel that I collected, so that was kind of the answer I was going for there. 8th question is, what is the name of the frog on my couch? That guy right there. And his name is Sad Frog. I did not come up with this name. I really don't know the whole story of why this came up. And I'm going to keep the party that came up with the name anonymous. But he does look kind of sad sitting there on the couch. But I think he approves of what's going on here. And he actually helps focus my camera. So that's kind of the use that I use him for. Question number 9 is, what does Naptown stand for? Naptown is another name for Indianapolis, and that's where I live. So that's what Naptown stands for. Naptown Nerf, Indianapolis Nerf. That's what Naptown stands for. Question number 10, how tall am I? And if you watch the video I posted, I think right before the 11K giveaway video, I said I'm about 5'8.5". So 5'8.5", or I think even Ben said about 5'8.5", which I thought was awesome. And of course, question number 11, there was no correct answer. All you had to do was share your favorite video of mine to social media, letting people know kind of why you love this video. That wasn't even really that necessary. Just sharing the video to your friends and then taking a screenshot or copying the link and sending it along with your email. So a few of you guys did that, and Jill selected a name. Jill's going to pick a name.
We have Raven 55555.
Perfect. A lot of 5s. He must like the number 5 a lot. So I will contact you through the email you sent and let you guys know that you'd won, both you and Benjamin Lamb. And Benjamin Lamb is actually, I don't know who Raven 55555 is, but I just don't know that. But Ben is a big person in the community. He's known as Foam Shepherd on Instagram, and he loves Nerf. He's fans, I think, of every YouTuber and every person out there. So pretty cool that he won, and I know he supports my channel a lot. He's been watching for a long time, commenting for a long time, so I'm glad that he was able to win that first prize. So he'll get the first selection of what blaster he wants, and then Raven 55555 will get the next selection of whatever blaster he wants out of the ones I showed on the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all you guys who participated in the giveaway. I will probably do more giveaways in the future. I'm not sure when, probably not for a little while, but thank you for your support. Thanks for subscribing, and as always, guys, peace out.